Hello everyone. So we're back to the continuation of our lesson, and this time we're going to focus on functions. So we're done discussing what relation is and the different ways on representing relations, and this time we're going to focus on the special type of relation, which is function. So si function, um, there is exactly just one element from the set of range that corresponds to each element from the set of domain. Okay, so how would we know which is range and which is the domain? So anything, ayan, yung input natin, so any real number, okay, which is the input is our domain. And then, ito ang magiging um, representation niya, yung f of x. Yan. So, si f here is the abbreviation ng function. Okay? Is equal to y, which is our output. So, ito yung hinahanap kasi natin eh. Alright. So, later on, we will focus further on this part. Alright. So, again, pag sinabi natin na a relation is a function kapag kapag 1:1 si range at saka si domain. Okay. So, let's look at the exercise. Okay, so, let's determine whether the relation is function or not. So, again, look at this representation of relation, yung ordered pair natin. So, you have here, again, this one is the 2. Ito yung natin, domain natin. Okay? So, si 2, 3, 5, and 4. So, remember, it only corresponds to one range. Okay? So, 1 to 1. Okay? So, ang range naman natin, itong 3, 0, 2, at saka 3. So, this one is a function. Why? Why is it a function? Kasi nga, meron yung domain, okay, look at the domain, hindi siya nare-repeat. Okay? And it corresponds to one range. Ayan. So, isa lang yung range niya. Okay? Hindi nare-repeat si domain at isa lang yung range niya. So, this relation is a function. So, again, domain here is the input. Okay? At isa lang yung kanyang output. Okay, now let's proceed to the second one. Naintindihan? Sige, let's move on to the second practice exercise para at least, maintindihan natin lalo. Now, we have the 4, okay, for our domain and range. Okay, for this example, the domain is 4, 5, 5, 6, 1. Okay, and then, you have your output or the range, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. So, if you notice that we have repetition when it comes to the domain, 5 and then 5. So, with that, is this a function? Of course, the answer is no. Kailangan hindi siya maulit yung ating domain. Alright? Kasi nga dapat 1 to 1 siya. Kapag nag-input ka ng kapag meron kang 1 input, isa lang yung output na maging result. Okay. So, ito naman sa range, ito yung output niya. Tigi-isa lang naman din sila. Pero yun lang, dun lang sa domain nagka-problema. So, it's not a function. Okay, now let's have number 3 exercise. Okay, is this a function? Okay, so look, 1, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 5, 10. Okay, so you have your input here. Okay, and then, ang output niya, ayan, tig-iisa lang sila, isa-isa. So, this one is a function. So, hindi na uulit si domain at isa lang yung naging output. Okay, now let's have another one. Okay, for this example, okay, so we have 1, 2, then 2 to 4, and then 2 to, say for example, it's like, siguro 10 to, 2 to 10. This one is 3 to 8, 4 to 4, 5 to, siguro 6. Yan. Okay. So, for this one, for our input, okay, may naulit na input. So, nagkaroon ng dalawang na-repeat yung number 2. Okay, dalawang beses siyang naging input. Okay? So, this one ay not a function. Okay? And then, tigi-isa lang naman sila na result or output. Okay? So, kahit na ulit tong K4, isa pa rin yung output niya. Okay? So, this one is not a function. Next, number 5, we have the table. So, this one, X, ito yung ano na, yung input. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Pagdating sa Y, you have the 2, 4, 6. If I may guess, yung equation nito ay Y equals 2X. Kasi, looking at the table, diba, 2 times yung X na 1 is 2. So, yun yung naging result, yung Y niya ay 2. Then, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4. Okay, so yun yung equation niya. So this one is a function. That's it.